Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch off the alarm on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. So what you want to do is to press the mode button until you arrive at the alarm, and then if you press the start and split button, you will be able to switch between off and having the alarm daily. Then we are going to press the mode button once again, and we are going to arrive at our current time. In case you want to watch a full video with all the functions and features, how to also set the alarm, how to use the chrono function, the timer, how to set the time and date, and so on, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular Timex Ironman Triathlon model, so make sure to check it out. I hope this video helped guys, and now you do not need to wake up in the middle of the night with that alarm. So I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you on the next one.